Next we will look at algebraic methods for solving linear equations with two variables. The first of the methods that we will look at is called the substitution method. So as you see here, we have been given two equations. The first one is s minus t equal to 3 and the second one is s by 3 plus t by 2 equal to 6. So by taking LCM and doing cross multiplication, you have 2s plus 3t is equal to 36. This is your equation 2. So the first equation can be written as s equal to t plus 3. Let's call it 3. So substituting s equal to t plus 3 in equation 2. So equation 2 is 2s plus 3t equal to 36. So substitute s equal to t plus 3. So 2 times t plus 3t equal to 36. So this is nothing but 2t plus 6 plus 3t equal to 36. So which is nothing but 5t plus 6 equal to 36. So 5t equal to 36 minus 6, which is equal to 30. So t equals to 30 by 5, which is 5 ones are 5 6 are, so t equal to 6. So now we are able to calculate the value of t, which is 6. So now we have to substitute t equal to 6 in any of the equations, either 1, 2 or 3, and we can find out the value of s. So here we are substituting t equal to 6 in the equation 3. So s equal to 6 plus 3, which is 9. So what we have done in this substitution method, so we have taken the value of one of the variables from one equation and substituted that in the second equation to make that second equation a linear equation with one variable, and then we calculated the value of that variable, and once we got the value of that variable, we substituted that value in the one of the two equations to get the value of the other variable. So that is your substitution method. So let's look at one more example. So 5 years hence, the age of Ravi will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, the age of Ravi was 7 times that of his son. Find the ages of Ravi and son. So first, let the age of Ravi be x and his son be y. So today, the ages of Ravi or son are x and y. 5 years ago, their ages are x minus 5 and y minus 5. And we have been given that 5 years ago, age of Ravi was 7 times that of his son. So x minus 5, which is Ravi's age, is 7 times that of his son, which is y minus 5. So x minus 5 equal to 7 times y minus 5, which is nothing but x minus 5 equal to 7y minus 35. So simplifying this, we have x minus 7y plus 30 equal to 0, because you bring the 7y minus 35 on the other side, it becomes minus 7y plus 35 and minus 5 is 30. So x minus 7y plus 30 equal to 0. Let's call it equation 1. So we have also been given that 5 years hence, which means 5 years into the future, what will their ages be? Ages be x plus 5 and y plus 5, because it is plus 5 from their current age. So x plus 5 and y plus 5. So we have also been told that 5 years into the future, Ravi's age will be 3 times that of his son. So x plus y is equal to 3 times y plus 5, which is nothing but x plus 5 equal to 3y plus 15. 3 times y plus 3 times 5. So 3y plus 15. So taking 3y plus 15 on the other side, we have x plus 5 minus 3y minus 15. And minus 15 plus 5 is minus 10. So we have x minus 3y minus 10 equal to 0. This is your equation 2. So now let's apply substitution method. So in a substitution method, the first step is to calculate the value of one variable in the one of the equations. So let's calculate the value of x. So x is nothing but 7y minus 30, right? Take minus 7y plus 30 on the other side. So x equal to 7y minus 30. So let's call this 3. Now substitute x equal to 7y minus 30 in equation 2. So equation 2, we have 7y minus 30 minus 3y minus 10 equal to 0, which is nothing but 7y minus 3y is 4y and minus 30 minus 10 is minus 40. So 4y minus 40 is 0, 4y equal to 40, y equal to 10. So now you have calculated the value of y, which is nothing but 10. So now substitute y equal to 10 in one of the equations. So here we will substitute in equation 3. So x is equal to 7 times y, which is 10, minus 30. So equal, which is nothing but 70 minus 30, which is 40. So x is equal to 40. So x is nothing but age of Ravi. So Ravi's age is 40 and y is nothing but age of his son, which is nothing but 10. So today the ages of Ravi and his son are 40 and 10 respectively. This is how we have applied substitution method to solve linear equations in two variables.